What's up, guys? So basically we are here to review the iPhone 8 Plus. As you might already be knowing that the iPhone 8 Plus is amongst the devices that has been launched by Apple this year 2017 along with the iPhone 8. And there are basically three models are launching this year: the 8, the 8 Plus, and the iPhone 10. The iPhone 10 is not coming anytime soon, so I am settling for the iPhone 8 Plus for the time being. And this video is basically a end user unboxing video. It is I'm doing it as I got the device just today, and I'm very much excited about it. So here's the box of the brand new iPhone 8 Plus, guys, and I have got it in the gold color. So it is the iPhone 8 Plus 256 GB, basically the top end version that you can have right now. And like, coming to the colors, Apple has launched three colors this year. So this is available in gold, the silver, and the space gray, as they call it. So if you ask me, I have had a look at all the three colors, and the gold color, not because, and this is not because I have got this color, I have taken a thorough look into all the colors they have launched, and the gold color is by far the best one, as at least as far as my opinion goes. The reason I say so is this color is so muted. um you don't feel that it is like a jewel kind of a gold. It is so muted, it is between silver and gold, and it is really classy. I really can't wait to get my hands onto this device. So without further ado, let me unbox this device for you. So this is really simple. You just rip it like this, and this is the box. And let me open up the box. So as usual, you see designed by Apple in California, and here it is, the brand new iPhone 8 Plus, guys. This is the handset, 256 GB model in the gold color, the best color, which I feel is it. You will see that this is almost muted. You don't actually see gold much here apart from the logo and the sides of it. So if you see, this is really muted and it looks really nice. What else is in the box? It's pretty usual stuff like the charger, the headset, and the wire cable. So usual Apple stuff, nothing fancy about it. Normal whatever they package in the part of the device. So coming to the form factor, yes, the that's all about it. The box doesn't have anything else. These are the things. These will have all your instructions along with the SIM card key, I think, which will be inside. Let me open up that for you. So here you get this welcome to iPhone cards, and here is your SIM ejector tool. That's pretty much it, the simple Apple stuff. And so coming to the device, guys, just allow me a quick second so that I have the SIM ejector handy. Here you go. Coming to the device, yeah, the iPhone 8 Plus is a big device, there is no doubt about that. But having said that, iPhone Pluses have always been big, right? So there's nothing special about this device being especially big. It is a bit heavier, as I feel it, than the 7 Plus, but still, wow, I really like the look and feel of it. You see? Yeah. So now let me power this guy up. So here it is booting up. You see the Apple logo, and meanwhile I'll try and get the SIM inside. So here comes the SIM tray. Here is my SIM card. It is basically the nano SIM, as we all know. Even the SIM tray, you can see it has been colored in light shades of gold. I really like it. Just put the SIM card inside. There you go. And it is asking me to set this device up. So coming to the form factor, the edge colors you see, it is really muted, it is really nice, I really love it. The display is really good, and the box is pretty simple. And I'll have to do the setup of this, and the detailed review of this device will be coming in shortly. So this is just the unboxing video. As I said, it is a end user unboxing video. This is not a paid video or something. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll do a detailed review of the device real soon. Thank you guys. I'm enjoying my iPhone 8 Plus. Get yours really soon. Thank you. See ya.